Alright, so we're working on the Ferguson TO-20 today. I went and started with the oil here. So there is like a canister in here and two tubes. But this metal canister is actually just kind of loose in there. It's aligned on the two tubes. Doesn't seem to want to come out. I guess it's captured in the pan here, but it's loose, as you can see. So, kind of odd. I didn't expect that. Not sure if it's what the deal is. So this guy went in the middle, and there's the drain plug. And let's see, here's the cap, the bottom cover, drain plug, and center bolt. This was unexpected. This was actually installed in there like that, which I don't think is correct. And it looks like it got pretty well crushed. It looks like these two holes should align with the two posts inside. I'm going to try to straighten it out, see if I can't get it to go back in there. This was the filter that came out. I don't know if he's right or not, but I have a new Baldwin filter that's going in, and that's the old gasket. I'll put a new gasket in. These are supposed to hold around 7 quarts of oil, and I ended up with only 3 to 4 quarts of it. So not necessarily a good start, but we'll see where things end up. But I'll try to get this stuff cleaned up and see if I can get a little video putting it all back together. And I have to drain the rest of it here. I want to get, there's a drain plug there for the transmission and for the hydraulics and rear axle back there. I want to try to get those drained and filled. That's the fill right here. I was trying to get the steering wheel off, but I'm gonna have to get a puller for that. And I did find the battery to fit, but I'll be taking that back and get a new one. But making a little progress here. Alright, so we pulled the filter down earlier, and I noted that basket. I did get this guy. He's not perfect. Probably could have spent a little more time, got him a little cleaner, a little nicer, but he'll do for now. For sludgy as the oil is, I'll probably take this down sooner than recommended. Clean him up, maybe give him a little dose. He does apparently fit in right like that, right up in there, which we'll do right now. And it took a little bit of wiggling, especially trying to do this one-handed. Oh, there we go. And what happens is he hits that thing and he actually lifts him up. So he's supposed to go in like that. I got our new filter here, Baldwin P40. Not exactly sure why that says this end up. I'm gonna leave this end down, just so that I got something to pull, get him out of there. Come on. It did say to put some shellac on the new gasket, so that's what I did. And we'll get him up here. And there we are. He's fully seated now. And we'll get our cover on right there. And be good to go. But I'm going to need both hands here, so. Hey, so I was going through some video and realized I never finished this one. So, gotta run down the last little bit here that didn't get shown with the original filming. So, the oil covers on, plugs are in, the drain plugs in, and so on this Ferguson, this is your oil fill right here, and this guy is your dipstick. You just gotta pull them out and check. Well, I didn't bring a rag to wipe them off, but he is full. I filled him not long after filming about changing the filter. I also drained in the back here. I'd shown there's a plug, and a plug in the back for draining the transmission, the axle, and the hydraulic unit. Now, to the best of my knowledge, they're all connected, and there's quite a lot of gear oil in there, so you'll want a really big pan or multiple pans when you go to drain it. The fills here, these take gear oil. Conveniently, the owner's manual says to use 80 weight in warm weather and 90 weight in warm weather, 80 weight in cold weather. And you can get 80-90 gear oil these days, so that's what went in it. Got a 5-gallon bucket and just filled her up. This is the lever for activating the hydraulics. And on the other side is the dipstick there for checking the hydraulic fluid. So that's the last little bit to that, and I'll get this video up soon. Thanks for watching.